So you're ready to watch this, huh? Alright. This video is about me and a bunch of my friends exploring Death Valley National Park. Oh, by the way, my name is Krishna. I'm just a dude with camera who happens to travel a lot. Our journey started in Las Vegas, and right before we entered the park, we found this beautiful off-road trail. After that, we watched sunset at this insane viewpoint in Death Valley. We stayed at the campground for the night, and next day we started morning hike too. We ended our day with horseback riding. The very next day, we explored one of my favorite locations in Death Valley.
Set your mind, it's written in gold. Don't say no, let it unfold out. I will take the embrace, so still it's where I'm found. All I know is emotion notes.
We crashed in a motel just outside Death Valley, and next day we went off-roading in. That was our last day in Death Valley, and we made one final stop just outside the park for this